Kaya pansinin po ninyo, kahit sa ating buhay, kapag maganda ang nangyayari, lumalakas ang ating pananampalataya. Pero kapag hindi maganda ang nangyayari, parang lumalayo ang loob sa Panginoon. And so the third level is faithfulness. Meaning, the fullness of faith is that it no longer depends on what is happening outside, but rather being able to hold on to God, to what is inside. And it is only through prayer, as Jesus said to his disciples, this kind can only come out through prayer.